Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the latest in the world of technology and entrepreneurship. Today, we're focusing on a major headline that's been buzzing in the tech community: Elon Musk's big win with Tesla shareholders. Just last week, a crucial vote took place, one that could potentially reshape the future of Tesla and its dynamic leader, Elon Musk. According to official statements from both Musk and Tesla, a staggering 70% of shareholders voted in favor of approving Musk's record-setting compensation package. But what does this mean exactly? Let's break it down. Firstly, the approval of this compensation package isn't just a nod to Musk's past achievements with Tesla. It's a bold statement of trust and expectation from the shareholders. They are betting on Musk not just to continue driving Tesla forward, but to push boundaries in the automotive and energy sectors. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The decision now hinges on the Delaware courts. The courts have to take into account this shareholder vote when they decide on the legality and fairness of Musk's pay package. If the courts give the green light, this could set a precedent not just for Tesla, but for corporate America. Joining the discussion, we have insights from some top experts in the field. Max Chafkin and Dana Hull, regular panelists on Bloomberg's Elon Inc., shed light on the intricate details of the court proceedings and what stakeholders are saying behind closed doors. Moreover, Tesla isn't just making headlines for its compensation packages. Kurt Wagner reports on Tesla's plans to expand into new territories like payment services through its other ventures. This move could revolutionize how we think about transactions in the digital age. And let's not forget the social media angle. Max Reed brings a critical perspective on Tesla and X's decision to hide likes on their platforms. This change could significantly alter social media dynamics and user interaction. So what does the future hold for Tesla and Elon Musk? If the Delaware courts approve this package, we might see an even more aggressive push towards innovative technologies and sustainable solutions. It's an exciting time to be following Tesla, a company that continues to influence and inspire the tech world. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with all our latest content. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about Tesla's latest developments. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.